Think you need years of experience to start earning online? Think again. ChatGPT is helping everyday people pull in $100 daily with zero tech skills.
Yesterday, I got paid $8K just for the afternoon.
My name is Olu, and in today's video, I'll show you specific ways to use ChatGPT for making money online that hardly anyone's talking about. So, stick around. You might be wondering, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's your personal AI assistant. It answers questions, brainstorm ideas, write blog posts, and even help you launch your next big online venture. But here's the kicker. Not many people know how to maximize it. So I'm breaking it down step by step to give you an edge. Step 1, setting up ChatGPT.
Setup? Did somebody say setup? Who am I setting?
First things first, you'll need an account. Here's how. Head over to Google and search for OpenAI ChatGPT. Click on the official link and you'll find the sign up option. Sign up using your email or Google account. Verify your phone number. Yes, it's required. Once done, you'll land on a clean, user-friendly dashboard, ready to assist you. Now that you're all set up with ChatGPT, let's get into some money-making methods. Method 1, make money with Amazon affiliate marketing.
Would you like to buy a laptop?
Find high-commission products. Ask ChatGPT, what are the top 10 most popular laptops on Amazon? It'll give you a detailed list, perfect for creating content. Create blog articles. Request ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word blog post on each laptop. It's like magic. It gives you a full article. Just copy, paste, and tweak it in your blog editor. Edit for accuracy and uniqueness. Use free plagiarism and grammar checkers like Grammarly or Copyscape. Monetize with Amazon affiliate links. Sign up for Amazon Associates, it's free, to get affiliate links. Add those links to your blog. Now, when someone reads your article and buys a laptop using your link, you earn a commission. Pro tip, target trending products for higher chances of clicks and conversions. Sometimes hearing how others have succeeded can spark your imagination. Here's someone who used the same idea to achieve amazing results, and you can too. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, blogger, earned over $50,000 per month from affiliate marketing in 2021 by blogging about personal finance. With consistent posting, you'll not only make $100 per day, but could scale to $10,000 per month like Michelle. So you've learned how to rake in commissions by blogging with ChatGPT. But what if selling products is more your vibe? No worries. Method 2, launch an e-commerce store. If e-commerce is your jam, ChatGPT can help you find trending products. Find winning products.
We have our own online store and our own distribution.
Wow. Ask ChatGPT something like, what are the top e-commerce categories? It might say electronics, home and garden, or fashion. Let's say we want to ask about home and gardens. Ask ChatGPT, what are the 5 trending items in home and garden? ChatGPT will suggest products like outdoor lighting or decor. Validate with data tools. For example, let's say ChatGPT suggests garden lights as a hot item. Plug that into Zik Analytics, and you'll see data like total sales, average prices, and how many people are searching for it each month. If you see numbers like $75,000 in sales over the last 30 days, that's a green light, pun intended. The key here is to focus on items with steady demand, but not too much competition. It's like fishing in a pond with just the right number of fish and a few anglers. Your chances of catching a winner are much higher. Source products. Let's stick with our garden lights example. Head to Alibaba and search solar garden lights. You'll find dozens of suppliers offering competitive prices. Look for ones with great reviews and a high transaction history. It's like checking Yelp for restaurants, but for suppliers. If Alibaba feels overwhelming, CJ Dropshipping is a fantastic alternative. They streamline the process by managing inventory and shipping for you, so you can focus on marketing and scaling. It's like having an extra teammate who handles the hard stuff. Pro tip, always order a sample before committing to bulk orders. This ensures the quality matches your expectations and helps you avoid surprises when customers receive their orders. Optimize listings. Ask ChatGPT to craft compelling product descriptions for platforms like eBay or Shopify. Selling just 10 products at $10 profit each equals $100 per day. To make this even clearer, let me share a real-life example of someone who's been crushing it using this exact approach. It's always inspiring to see what's possible, right? Greta Van Riel made over $600,000 in her first year selling trending products like water bottles via Shopify. Let's shake things up a bit. What if you could combine TikTok's massive reach with ChatGPT to create viral content that drives sales? Method 3. ClickBank affiliate marketing via TikTok.
I'm practicing my TikTok.
Want to tap into TikTok's massive audience? Combine it with ClickBank, a platform where you promote products for a commission. Sign up on ClickBank and browse categories like self-help. Sort products by gravity score to find high-converting offers. Higher gravity equals higher conversions. Pick a product like a self-help ebook and create a free ebook using ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT, write a 10-chapter ebook about overcoming breakups. It'll create the content chapter by chapter. You can polish it, save it as a PDF, edit and use Canva to design a cover. Create a landing page to offer the ebook in exchange for email addresses. Use free tools like a web or to collect email addresses in exchange for the ebook. Then set up an email sequence to send ClickBank affiliate links to your readers. Boom! You've just set up an automated money-making system. Sell just 4 ebooks a day and you've got $100. Now you might be thinking, does this really work? Let's take a quick look at someone who's mastered this strategy and turned it into a huge success story. Alex Hormozi grew his audience on social media, scaled businesses using email marketing, and now makes millions annually. Now you've got 3 actionable ways to turn ChatGPT into your online money-making machine. The best part? You can mix and match these strategies to build multiple income streams. But before you go, let me leave you with a quick challenge. Which one are you excited to try first? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell on more money-making videos. Stay safe, stay hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oops, one more thing. I want to make things easier for you. Please check the description box for the sign-up links for ChatGPT and ClickBank.